cause to be here. I know that 50 years in the life of a man, not to talk of in the life of a state, is not a joke. And for us, we have reasons. We were with the governor about 2-3 days ago, and when he was reading some of the achievements of the state, he said, our state, your state, is only second to Lagos State in terms of the economy. I think that calls for celebration. We even picked states like River State, where they have oil and all that. I also know that in the last few years, we'll have seen changes in the state. We have roads and all that has happened. And must not forget our flagship project, the Gateway Airport, is also here. And I'm sure that these are achievements, these are things that cause for us to thank God. I know this is just the beginning. As a local government, the chairman is here. And I know he's a man of his words. Even with limited resources, I know he will take us there. And he has already been doing. Ladies and gentlemen, being 50 years and leading, it is my prayer that by the time we are here to mass